Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to unarchive chats on WhatsApp. Maybe you have previously archived some chats and now you want to bring them back to the main chat list. So today I'm going to show you how to unarchive chats on WhatsApp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your WhatsApp application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the main chat screen. In this page, go to the Archive section by tapping on this Archive option on the top of the chat list. In this section, you will see a list of chats that you have previously archived. Find the chat that you want to unarchive. For example, I want to unarchive this conversation, so simply long press on that conversation. After that, a set of options will appear at the top. From here, tap on this icon that looks like a box with an arrow pointing upwards. After that, you now have successfully unarchived a chat on WhatsApp. The chat will now be moved back to the main chat list, and you will now be able to see and access the chat as you did before. There you go. If you wanted to know how to unarchive chats on WhatsApp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to unarchive chats on WhatsApp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.